How to delete your now memories on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your now memories on TikTok now. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you want to delete your now memories, it's very simple. Make sure to first update the TikTok Now app. Once you update the TikTok Now app and open it up, make sure you are logged into the account. Now you can see the TikTok Now that I just posted, and if I also come to my profile page, you'll be able to see my memories over here. Or you could also go to the memories section at the here, and in order to find out which memories you want to delete, but in my case it's just over here, so I'll just select it up. Let's say I want to delete this specific memory, for example. If it accidentally took your memory, then just tap on the three dots on the top right hand side. Once you tap on three dots, here you want to go to the option called delete. Once you tap on delete, it will ask you for a confirmation that do you want to delete this video. You can also actually delete and retake it, but we don't want to do that. If you want to delete it, just tap on the delete button just like that. That's all it takes to delete your now memories on TikTok Now app, which is a new app from TikTok themselves. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.